Hello friends, I am here to give the review of ibps 2016 which held on 16th October. The overall paper was moderate. If you see the all section, then you can say that the English section was moderate and other two section was scoring. So let's come on the reasoning section. There are following topics which comes on the IBPS PO 2016 in all shift. The first in the reasoning section, the first concept is syllogism. In these 5 questions comes, and these questions are based on possibilities question. In the previous exam of IBPS, there are easy questions comes, or they did not give the syllogism question. But in the IBPS PO, they give the syllogism question, but it is based on possibilities case. And the second concept is blood relation. It provides a 3 marks and it is very easy to solve. And the third concept is distance and direction. In distance and direction questions, the question comes on, let me explain that suppose B is the north, B is the south of H, and the distance is 5 kilometer, and the point A who is south of, who is west of B in 3 kilometer. So this type of question comes, so you can easily do. In the inequality, it is very easy and you can solve within 2 minutes. So if you saw the all concept, then we can say that 5 3 2 55 total 15, the total 15 marks which you gain within 7 to 8 minutes. And let's come on linear arrangement. If you solve the puzzle, then my advice is do only 3 concepts. First is age based puzzle, circular puzzle, and linear arrangement. In the linear arrangement, the question comes like there are 7 persons in some are facing north direction and some are facing south direction, and it is etc. This type of question comes, so you can easily solve. And in the circular arrangement, suppose like there are 7 members in a family, A B C D E F G, and A is third to right of professor and B is the second of professor. This type of concept comes on the circular arrangement, and you can solve very easy way if you have practice. The floor based question is little bit moderate because first you arrange the floor like A B C D E F G, and then in the last statement says that the second and third difference between the second and third floor is 3 to, so we can say it's a little moderate. Age based puzzle like A is greater than A, if suppose the highest heavier age is A and age weight is 50 and the lowest weight is B and the weight is 20, so you can easily solve. So if you analysis the all concept, that you can say 5 3 5 2 15 plus 20 20 25 and 30, you can easily and speedily solve 30 questions within 25 minutes. let's come on the maths. In the math, the first concept is quadratic equation, which is very easy. You can solve 5 questions within 2 minutes. And second is approximation, 5 questions you can solve within 4 minutes or 3 minutes. In the series, you can solve 3 to 4 questions. One question will be moderate, and the concept in series comes on like into 3 plus 3 into 4 divide 4. This type of concept comes on, or double subtraction method comes like 2 5 7 2 5 minus 2 3 7 minus 5 2 3 minus 2 1. This type of question comes. Next question, mixed question and 2DI question. 2DI question, these questions are based on the tabulation and bar graph, which is very easy. You can easily score 10 5 25 marks in a less time. So I bet that you achieve 25 marks within 20 to 25 minutes. And in the mixed concept, one question comes from age, 1 to 2 question comes from TSD and train, which is very easy. Work and pipe, 1 and 2 question comes on work and pipe. In probability, 1 question comes. In profit loss and percentage, 2 to 4 question comes. In average, 1 question comes. And the harder section of the IBPS PO is IBPS 2016 is English RC. In the previous paper, the RC questions have 10 questions, and you can solve easily 6 or 7 or 8 questions. But in the IBPS 2060, these gifts are 5 questions, and these are independent. Means a question, these gives a question which first you read the passage and analysis them, then give the solution, not a direct passage, and it is based on economy. The second concept is closed test. These gives are 10 marks, and if you have knowledge of vocab and some little grammar, then you can easily solve the closed test. Third section is spotting in the third question. It is totally based on grammar. So my advice is that the paper who will held on 22 or 23 or 27 October, please read the grammar portion, and it gives a 10 marks. And in the arrangement, you can achieve 2 to 3 marks. So the overall paper is moderate, because in the reasoning you can attempt 25 to 30 questions within 25 minutes. In maths, you can attempt 25 questions within 25 minutes. But the English section play a vital role to qualify the IBPS 2060. So my humble request to you that please read the English, and do, if you don't have knowledge of English, or you want to qualify only English section, then please do only 2 things: close test and error spotting. This gives a solid marks, and you can easily pass the exam. So thank you.